So manufacturing companies have started to recover in 2022. Today in this video, we will talk about 5 mistakes to avoid so that you can get a speedy recovery post COVID-19 in this brand new year called 2022. My name is CA Vishal Thakkar and let us straight dive into the 5 financial mistakes usually made by a manufacturing company. Mistake number 1, piling up too much of inventory. Most manufacturers fear that if they don't get raw material on time, their production cycle will suffer. Hence, they end up with too much of inventory in their warehouse and block a lot of precious cash in that process. Financial mistake number 2, accepting orders just to run the factory. The factory owner or the business owner is so desperate after COVID-19 that just to keep his factory running, he will accept any orders, all orders at any price point and any payment terms. Don't do that. It is actually more detrimental to keep the factory running while it bleeds rather than shutting it for preventive maintenance, which I will come to in a while from now. Mistake number 3, borrowing to bridge the cash flow gaps. Mostly due to timing difference between customers' payment period and business owner's vendor payment period, there is a timing gap in the cash flow. To bridge that, usually a business owner borrows or takes a CC limit, which is detrimental to him in the longer run because that's the highest cost borrowing that a business can do. Mistake number 4, hiring more people than necessary. So many times a factory owner finds excessive workers or workers at bench and not having enough work to do. This further increases the fixed cost and the burden is very high on the already wafer thin margins. Financial mistake number 5, not investing enough time and resources in preventive maintenance. If a business owner utilizes the free time or the downtime for the purpose of carrying out the preventive maintenance of the factory, then the eventual repairs and maintenance costs can be brought down drastically, which is linked to my second point of accepting orders at any price to run the factory. My suggestion would be, instead of taking on more orders just to keep the machines running, let us take less orders at a better price and utilize the free time in doing preventive maintenance so that we are able to optimize the running of the factory. At the same time, don't make 2 financial mistakes at one go. Let me know what other financial mistakes that manufacturing entities commit on the finance side. If you wish to know the solutions, keep watching this space. I await your comments in the comment section.